When you're hungry for breakfast, it's the ultimate go-to. It's a must-have and always yummy. Omelets are simple, quick, and easy. Eggs are a go-to for healthy, filling, and nutrition. The ingredients are also found in every kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make it today. And I have made omelets on my own since I was 12 and I'm 26, so this is something that I know how to do. And so we're going to put together a quick omelet, and let's now discuss the supplies and ingredients. So first you need 3 eggs, which I've conveniently got here ready for us in this bowl. You're going to need a small bowl, a fork, a spatula, some salt and pepper, and oil. Oh, and you can't forget your stainless steel pan. Also, a plate and napkin that we're going to put the omelet on once we're done. Woo-hoo-hoo! And now that we have everything in place, we're ready to get going. So first you're gonna heat up your oven. You're gonna turn your temperature to number 7, and you're gonna let the pan heat up. That's very important when you're working with stainless steel, to let the pan heat up before you add the oil and into your pan. And so now I've already prepared our eggs, and so I'm going to add some seasoning. So just a little bit of pepper and some salt. You don't want to go heavy-handed with the salt. It's already got enough for us. And so you're going to whisk these eggs up briskly. And once our eggs are nice and whisked, we're going to add some avocado oil to the pan. Just enough to coat the bottom. You don't want to go over or under, because if you go under, your pan is going to get messy. If you go over, your eggs are going to taste funny. So now we're going to let that sit for a little bit longer. Pretty quick though. That's what's great about eggs. And so, give this one last little stir. Got it ready to go. Ooh, 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 eggs time. And you can check over the top of the pan to see when it's ready. You can feel the heat coming off. So, I feel a good bit of heat. So, you're going to gently stir your eggs into your pan. And once they hit the pan, they're going to start cooking. And so what's happening in the pan is that the eggs are cooking, and so I'm just moving it around, moving the edges to make sure that it's all cooked. Because that's one thing that you don't want. You don't want a runny omelet. So it's cooking. So once you start getting the edges done, you can flip your omelet over. That's important to preserve the omelet shape. And then you pick up the whole thing and flip it. The spatula is very important. gonna flip it over that one last time. Okay. And it is done. Awesome. So I'm gonna make sure you always turn your burners off once you're done. And hooray, we now have an omelet. So today we learned how to make a breakfast omelet. I discussed the supplies and ingredients that we needed, as well as the step-by-step process of putting it together. So the next time you go to grab a breakfast bar, remember that you can whip up an omelet in like 3 to 4 minutes, and it's much more healthy and good for you. Yum, yum.